Whew, child, it's day 26 in the Karen Reed trial, and this is what I've learned. Hank Brennan is on my nerves. We had the continued testimony of Dr. Russell, and Hank was brutal on this woman. He kept asking her the same question over and over again, trying to trip her up, trying to confuse her. It was a bad look. Now, apparently, Mr. Alessi gave her the advice to always ask for a transcript because Hank was playing dirty yesterday, claiming that he was reading from her former trial testimony and quoting what she said, and he really wasn't. They're getting desperate now. He starts going in on her, asking her who gave her that advice. Don't you know that there's a sequestration order? You know, apparently it's only a sequestration order for the defense witnesses. Anyway, and that she shouldn't be talking to her lawyer about the trial. She said, we weren't talking about the trial. Dr. Russell had answered one of the questions that she didn't recall, and Hank had the nerve to ask that lady, do you have trouble with your memory? Dr. Russell seemed visibly shocked by that question and disappointed in him. After that, we get Officer Nicholas Burrows on the stand, and he is a Dighton police officer. On the day in question, Officer Burrows responded to a call to report to the Reed residence in order to secure Karen's SUV. And he said that he made note that the tail light was cracked, not completely busted out like the way we saw it. Hank Brennan on cross had the nerve to ask this man about documenting what he saw at the scene after his own officers didn't document a thing, and that's why this case is failing. After asking the same questions repeatedly and going in on this officer about his memory of the event, he was able to get Officer Burrows to admit that his memory could be a little shaky. But he said he saw what he saw, and he know what he know. Child, during one of the sidebars today, I noticed that the O'Keefe family was smirking and giggling when Brennan was going in on this officer. They felt pleased, and I didn't like that very much. On recross, AJ was able to clean this up a little bit by saying that, you know that you had a birthday 2 years ago, and you may know you had a party and had a good time, but do you remember the day of the week that it fell on? I mean, we might be fuzzy about some of the details, but the main event, we're not fuzzy on those details. And also, AJ pointed out that he was a Commonwealth witness last year, and they never spoke to him again, and certainly didn't recall him this year because he's not good for their case. Outside of the presence of the jury, Bev said that there's a bunch of motions that have come in on either side, that she hasn't been able to get to all of them. She's going to give us some decisions on those motions today. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.